We are here at Burlington, here at Indy. And we have here is Schindler. And yes, they have moved all the merchandise down here. And the elevator is open to the public just to use the restrooms. Oh boy, let's see this motor. It's good too. Wow, that's a good motor. It's really weird. Wow, that's loud. This actually used to be Dick's Sporting Goods. No joke. This was actually Dick's Sporting Goods, and now Burlington came here probably about 10 years ago. This is sort of the simplest setup to the now former Burlington at Stratford Square. Here we go, let's listen to the motor again. That's good. Schindler. So weird. Limited quantities. That's odd. Here we're at the first floor. As I tell, it's a Schindler. And there goes the elevator. This is a very weird store. This is so odd. You can see there's all those walls up there. There's some Schindler escalators. Anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.